There we go. There we go. Jeez. How's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Fishing Me. Your boy DYangBass. Today we are, as the intro, cleaning my tackle. I'm getting ready for panfish season. As you guys know, it's getting colder. It's getting colder, I guess. That make any sense? And the panfish are going to be moving up shallow. We're going to do some pan fishing, just letting you guys know. No, we are not pan fishing today. No, we are not going through the panfish arsenal. Even though if you guys like it, let me know in the comments down below and I will do that for you guys. But today we are talking about a, let me backtrack. Hold on. Rewind. Now, Dyang, why did you end the video like that? Just letting a smallie go and then that was the cut. Why? Let me tell you guys why. It is because I had an idea. I guess it's a bright idea, smart idea. I don't know. I saw a bunch of suckers. I basically rushed back to the car. I drove, found some red worm, and yeah, we found some suckers. I wanted to do some sucker fishing. I saw a bunch of them just swimming around, just gathering up, schooling, and doing what they do as suckers. I have no idea, but I thought that you guys might like it, so I made kind of like a two-part version to it. So here it is. Enjoy. Sucker fishing was fun. You guys should try it. I know they're not like popular fish, or they are underrated fish. They fight hard. They're fun. I don't want to eat them. I wouldn't eat them, I guess. I mean, I would try, but I wouldn't eat them. I wouldn't keep them. Yeah, you guys get the idea. Enjoy this video. I'll see you guys in this video. Peace. Today we are taking a different approach. I saw a lot of suckers, a lot of red horse, and today the goal is to catch a red horse. I saw some pretty big ones too, and let's make the challenge even better. We're going live bait, ultralight rod, light line, and let's catch these suckers. It's pretty funny. Come on, suckers. Gosh, there's a ton of freaking smallies. Is it weird that I'm saying that? Oh, I got one. Nice, I got a sucker. Yeah, there we go. That's what we're looking for. Relax, relax, don't run under me. There you go. That's what we're looking for right there, guys. That's a red horse. Wow, look at that thing. It's so cool. Yep, there we go. Oh, jeez, and they fight so hard. An ultralight rod. Look at that thing go. Look at that thing, guys. Oh, that is sweet. Look how pretty that is. Wow, look at the color on that thing. It's amazing. Okay. And they just, there you go. Cool, okay, we got one. And I caught some big red horse in the past too, by accident. So let's see if we catch another one here. Oh, we got one. Ah, just a smallie. Just a smallie. Look at him go though. Oh, there's another one right behind. Oh, there's a pike right behind it. Jeez, that was crazy. Relax, relax, relax. That's a decent bass too. Oh, jeez. Gosh. I knew these guys would be everywhere. Oh man, you got a little deformation here going. See ya. Got him. Yep, I felt that one. Jeez, and he runs. He goes nuts. I felt that one. It took off with there. That is so cool. Look how pretty they are. Whoa. That's crazy. Wow, look at that. He just inhaled it. That's a pretty fish. Look at the color. So cool. Alright, buddy. There we go. Yep. Look at them go. They go nuts. That's a nice one too. They just fight so hard. Look at that. Look how pretty that is. Wow. It is a decent one. Jeez. Look at him. Oh, right on the roof, baby. Oh, he's slipping, he's slipping. There's slimy fish. Should keep my pliers on me, eh? There we go. Nice golden fish right there. I'm just gonna fish out this school and I'm gonna move up. I actually didn't think they were gonna be here. I just made a random stop and then here they are. So we catch one more before we go. Oh, we got a small one. We got a small one. Okay, we got a runner. We got a runner. Oh, jeez, he's going. Look at him go. Look at him go. We got a runner. Yeah. Nice. Dude, look at this guy. Got some cool colors on him. Okay. Nice little dude. I'm guessing they're over here. Oh, I see them. I see them. Nice. That's a pretty big smallie too. I would not be surprised if Smallie gets to this big if I do. For the suckers too. That's a sucker. Oh nope, that's a smallie. That's a nice smallie actually. Whoa! Relax! Jeez! Relax, buddy. Dang. Look at him go. Alright, buddy. That's a nice smallie too. Look at him. Look at him. That's a good smallie right there. Wow. Chunky dude. And that is really good for a river. Look at that. Nice fish. Got him. Got him. Jeez. Oh gosh, gosh. Almost knocked me over. There he is. There he is. There he is. Dang, dude came out of nowhere and just smacks it. Sheesh. Yeah, see? You wanted to run all crazy, now your generator's done. Now y'all gassed out. Oh, look at that. So pretty. Wow. Look at that fish, guys. So beautiful. Come over here. Oh, jeez. They're so crazy. Look at them go. That's a little guy, too. No, no, no. Oh, not on the tree. Dang it. Okay, he's out. He's out. Come back out here. Come back. There you go. Jeez. Oh my gosh. You're gonna break my rod, dude. There you go. Sheesh. Alright. Nice. They're all like the same size too, so boom. Look at that long fish. That's so cool. Alright, let's keep moving. I'm gonna find some bigger ones. Ones that will break my rod, you know. Alright guys, whew, we made it to the juice. So let's hope this juice is worth it. And this spot right here is fire. Last hours here. Alright, moment of truth. Let's see if we can make this happen. I know all the suckers are over there. I didn't walk all the way over here for nothing. For nothing. There's so many in there that it looks like a mat. There we go. He ate it. He ate it. I felt that one. Come over here. Come over here. Come over here. Yep. This is a small guy. so cool. Just a small dude. Yeah, there we go. Relax, relax. Nice. Look at that. He freaking chomped it too. Yeah, I felt that one, buddy. Hit it like a bass. Nice. Look at that fish. See ya. I staged up like that. I'm behind them so they can't see me. There we go. There we go. And he goes nuts. He goes in the air. Oh yeah. There we go. That's a nice one. Oh, you're so mean. Is that a nice fish? Going back. Boy, they got a bass. Out of the squad, I got a bass. That's so funny. All right, buddy, relax. Relax. I'm gonna let you go. But I'm gonna let you go down the river. So. There we go. There we go. Jeez. Relax, buddy. They just go nuts. They fight so hard. It's so cool. Yeah, this one's decent. Not giant, but still good fish. Cool. Got another one. Nice. Hey, they're so clean and crispy. I have to show you guys. Relax, relax, relax. Do not go nuts. Do not go nuts. There we go. Oh, jeez. That's so cool. Man, these fish are... they're unpopular, alright? Look how clean they are. So cool, man. Alright, buddy. Well, what I learned is that they don't like dead bait. They like fresh worm, that's for sure. Got him. Stay down, stay down. Jeez. Oh, he's still there. He's running, he's running. Oh my gosh, look at that. That's what I'm talking about, guys. Look at that. Come on. Can't say this is not fun. It fights so hard. Look how pretty it is too. Wow. We get in the water with it. Look at that thing. They're just so mean. Back it goes. The hell? What the heck is that? Oh, it's a turtle. Oh, turtle crawled out of the water. I mean, out of the forest into the water. And I got a fish on. I heard something running over there too, and I was sketched out like, what the heck is that? The freaking turtle rolls out of the forest. That was funny. Oh, we got ourselves another one. This one's definitely a lot bulkier. See ya. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I sure did. Had a great time sucker fishing. Not a lot of people do it, but I decided to try it. I've done it in the past when I was a kid, like cool, you know, but just to like specifically see them and sight fish for them and catch them and fight them and release them, it was cool. And I would definitely do it again, honestly. You guys should try it. Super fun fish to fight. Again, just a sinker, a hook, and red worms. That was the trick. Yeah, again, like I said, I'm just cleaning up my Arsenal here. Jeez, somebody's calling me. Oh, my dad's calling. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Hey, Dad.